We all know the expression, the devil is in the detail, right? Or shadows are the soul of a shot. But what if during retouching you can't see your shadows correctly? Like for example here, where does my stand end? Maybe on my monitor I think I did a great retouch job, and then somebody else looks on a monitor that has too much brightness and you can still see part of the stand. So how do I solve this? It's actually pretty simple. Go for your layer and choose an adjustment layer. For example, curves. Now make sure that you open up all the shadow areas, as you can see here. Now you can retouch on the original layer, so on your background layer. Let me just show you very quickly. You can just take your healing brush, for example, and take it out. Now the cool trick is, you can do everything you want. You see all the detail. The moment you're done and you know that everything is right, you just remove your adjustment layer and all the shadows are back, and you can deliver your image and know that even if your client turns up the brightness, your retouch work is perfect.